Hello lovely viewers, hope you will enjoy our new unboxing video. We have come up with a Nokia 110 unboxing experience. It's a dual SIM with MP3 player, an inbuilt camera GSM phone. Here's what you will get inside the box. It got camera, which is the best part, and it can last longer because it is the Nokia popular QWERTY mobile set. It can support micro SD card up to 32 GB too. Inside box, you will get a charger with micro USB pin and warranty card. It got 1-year warranty here in Nepal. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe. Until then, bye bye.